स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manwar. In today's video, we will talk about the VJTI Mumbai, that is the Veer Mata Jijabai Technological Institute, which accepts the Maharashtra MCA CET score. So guys, here we'll cover the important points like the eligibility criteria, the paper pattern for MCA CET, the minimum marks required to enter into VJTI, that means the cutoff, seat availability, the selection process of VJTI, and the most important one, that is the placement. Here we'll talk in detail about these all parameters. Let's move further. So first we'll talk in detail about the Maharashtra MCA CET. So the number one point, that is the eligibility criteria. So guys, you should have the bachelor's degree, where in 10+2 level or in a graduation you must have one of the subjects like mathematics or statistics, where the minimum marks required is 50% marks. So let's talk about the exam details. Now here you will get the 100 question for only 90 minutes. सो गाइज यहाँ आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से टाइम प्रेशर हैंडल करना होगा, बिकॉज टाइम ड्यूरेशन इज ओनली 90 मिनट्स. द एग्जाम मोड इज कंप्यूटर बेस्ड, दैट इज ऑनलाइन, and the most important one, that is the marking system. For each correct answer, here you will get +2 marks, while for each incorrect answer you will lose 0.5 marks. Now moving to the paper pattern, it includes mainly 4 sections. The first one is mathematics and statistics, 30 question out of it, that means for 60 marks. Second one, logical or abstract reasoning, 30 question out of it, that means for 60 marks. English comprehension and verbal ability, 20 question out of it, that means for 40 marks. And the last one, that is computer concepts, it includes 20 questions, that means for 40 marks. So overall 100 questions for 200 marks. And guys, to enter into one of the top institutes like VJTI, then you have to score 130 plus marks. So guys, to get the major focus on mathematics and statistics and like computer concepts and also on the reading comprehension, you can join to the Manwar online program, and for demo lectures you can go through the website, that is the manwaredu.com. Let's move further. Now we'll talk about the selection process for VJTI. Now there is a note that admission to VJTI are strictly based on merit through cap round, that is nothing but the centralized admission process as per the guidelines of Government of Maharashtra and are conducted by Directorate of Technical Education. The first criteria to enter into VJTI is you have to crack the Maharashtra MCA CET, while the second criteria is you have to go through the cap round process. And as it is strictly based on the merit, so there is no institute or management quota in any of the program, and there is no any seat available for NRI, foreign nationals, persons of Indian origin or overseas candidates. So let's move further. Now here we'll talk about the VJTI, one of the oldest engineering or technical college in Asia, which established in 1887, which formerly known as Victoria Jubilee Technical Institute, and in 1997 the VJTI changed its name to Veer Mata Jijabai Technological Institute, which is located in the South Mumbai, that is the Matunga East. It is an autonomous institute which is owned by the Maharashtra state government, and it is also the Central Technical Institute of Maharashtra state. It offers the various programs in engineering and technology at the diploma, the postgraduate and doctoral levels. So the overall VJTI offers more than 27 courses in various different levels, and particularly for MCA program it has 60 number of seats. And VJTI is well known for its high quality teaching, the collaborative research, industry connect, and the boast of very strong alumni network. So the MCA course in VJTI started in 1984, and MCA at VJTI was the first course under the University of Mumbai. Now it is all about the college. Now here we'll talk about the placement. The VJTI has a very dedicated placement cell which is known as TPO, that is Training and Placement Office, where the top class companies comes to the VJTI and maximum student get placed. So here we have the record of 2018 and 19 and 2017 and 18. So in the 2018 and 19, the 74 number of companies where the 47 student registered, the 39 student placed, that means the percentage of student placed is 82.97, and that is the good one. The lowest package offered 3 lakh per annum. The average package stands for approx 7 lakh per annum, where the highest package stands approximately 36 lakh per annum. While in 2017-18, the 30 companies take part in the recruitment cell. 59 students register themselves, where 51 got placed. That means the percentage of student place is 86.44, where the lowest package was 2.4 lakh per annum. Average stands at 6.5 lakh per annum, and the highest package was 40 lakh per annum. So guys, with respect to placement, आपको यहाँ चिंता करने की कोई बात नहीं है, because VGTI is a well-known institute for engineering college as well as for technical programs. So guys, with respect to engineering, यहाँ हर साल more than 250 companies takes part in the recruitment cell. So ultimately, यहाँ आपको benefit मिल जाता है इन companies का, because the number of companies from this package also take parts for the placement cell of MCA candidates. And if we consider the fee structure, so for open category, each year it is around 70 to 75,000. So guys, ultimately it will gives you the best return on investment. So let's move further, and these are some past recruiters like Citystech, ITC, Amazon, Godrej, SSBC, SCL, Infosys, Sun Pharma, Wipro. So guys, overall, if you wanna pursue master degree in computer application, then the VGTI is the best college in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, and in India. So guys, to enter into it, you have to crack the Maharashtra MCA CET, and to crack Maharashtra MCA CET, join Manwar online program, where you will get books, mock test, sectional, full course, and here you can also interact live with us. So call on this number, or you can simply visit to the manwaredu.com/MCA entrance. And if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar, and Vasai. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.